place for next year MotoGP World Championship was already confirmed. In MotoGP contained no surprise in terms of the 22 riders, which have already been announced. However, it does confirm that Pedro Acosta will switch the number 31 to 37 for this move to Red Bull TDF. Acosta's previous race number becoming available due to the departure of former teammate Augusto Fernandez. New world champion Jorge Martin continued to be leads with number 89, although a final decision on whether to run the number 1 plate at Aprilia is yet to be made. Honda's factory team is yet to announce a replacement for Repsol and a list only as Honda HRC, while Pramac in retaining title sponsor Prima for its new Yamaha era.